Welcome back to Driveline. The wait is finally over. The 2026 Opel Insignia has arrived, stronger, sleeker, and more advanced than ever. A symbol of German precision and fearless design, reborn to take on the world's finest. A new chapter in Opel's legacy. The Insignia has always represented Opel's vision of intelligent engineering and elegant practicality. But for 2026, it's far more than a refresh. It's a total reinvention. Built on a brand new platform and designed under Opel's pure progressive philosophy, the new Insignia combines muscular proportions with futuristic sophistication. Its stance is wider and lower, giving it a commanding road presence, while the signature Opel visor grille now stretches seamlessly across the front fascia, flanked by ultra-slim IntelliLux pixel LED headlights. Every line, every curve, every surface speaks of aerodynamic efficiency and modern German craftsmanship. Power meets precision. Under the hood, the 2026 Opel Insignia introduces a new generation of efficient and electrified powertrains. Buyers can expect a lineup that includes a 1.5-liter turbocharged mild hybrid for everyday refinement, a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder delivering dynamic performance for driving enthusiasts, and for the future-forward drivers, a plug-in hybrid variant offering over 70 kilometers of electric range, perfectly balancing performance with sustainability. Each engine is paired with Opel's advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, optimized for quick shifts and maximum efficiency. And with optional all-wheel drive, the Insignia 2026 maintains impeccable grip and stability, no matter the terrain or weather. Interior crafted for the modern era. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more breathtaking. The cabin has been completely redesigned to embody German minimalism, fused with cutting-edge technology. The centerpiece is the Opel Pure Panel Pro, a curved dual-display layout that merges a 12-inch digital cluster and a 13-inch infotainment touchscreen. Powered by Opel's latest Pure OS, it features seamless connectivity, voice recognition, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a reimagined driver interface that minimizes distraction while maximizing focus. Premium materials, from sustainable leather alternative fabrics to ambient LED mood lighting, make every drive an experience of calm, luxury, and clarity. The AGR-certified ergonomic seats provide outstanding comfort for long journeys, while the enhanced sound insulation turns the Insignia into a quiet sanctuary on the move. Driving dynamics, confidence reimagined. The 2026 Insignia doesn't just look sharp, it drives like it. With an upgraded suspension system, refined chassis tuning, and adaptive damping, Opel has engineered a sedan that glides effortlessly on highways but remains agile through every curve. The drive mode selector allows drivers to tailor the Insignia's personality, from eco to sport, changing throttle response, steering weight, and transmission behavior. Meanwhile, the latest Opel IntelliDrive 3.0 suite includes semi-autonomous lane centering, adaptive cruise, and predictive navigation that reads the road ahead in real time. Design evolution with purpose. The exterior design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about aerodynamics, identity, and confidence. The smooth silhouette reduces drag, improving both efficiency and stability. The rear features a sculpted tailgate with full-width LED taillights and a subtle spoiler that adds a sporty edge. For 2026, Opel offers a range of striking colors, from crystal silver to midnight blue, and even a bold solar red for those who demand attention wherever they go. Safety and technology. As expected from a German executive sedan, the new Insignia comes equipped with cutting-edge safety and driver assistance features. Highlights include 360 degrees surround view cameras, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, IntelliBeam adaptive headlights. Combined with Opel's reinforced steel structure and enhanced crash protection zones, the 2026 Insignia ensures that safety is never compromised, no matter how thrilling the drive. The verdict, a true comeback. The 2026 Opel Insignia isn't just another sedan update. It's Opel's declaration of excellence, a blend of intelligence, power, and elegance that redefines what a mid-size European car can be. It stands as a true rival to the likes of the Volkswagen Passat, BMW 3 Series, and Mercedes-Benz C-Class, yet carries its own unique character, confident, precise, and unmistakably Opel.